1 12-ounce package of fresh cranberries. You can use 1 cup of brown sugar or 1 cup of granulated sugar. 1 cup of orange juice. Mix well and bring to a boil on high heat. When it comes to a boil, lower the heat to either a medium-high or medium. Continue cooking for 10 minutes. Remember to stir regularly all throughout the cooking process. The liquid is going to continue to reduce and the cranberry sauce is going to start to thicken up really nice. Once the cranberry sauce has thickened, you can just remove it from the heat. It's done. Just let the cranberry sauce cool down now, and you can store it in your refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Dish up your cranberry sauce when you're ready to use it and just sprinkle with a little bit of orange zest.